Now, today basically we are going to complete the exercise 2.3 of class 9. Now, first question is that exercise 2.3. Question number 1. There is some function and they have said that x plus 1 is a factor. Now, gx is x plus 1. So, if gx is a factor, then gx is equal to x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus 1. Is it clear? X is equal to minus 1. So for the first function we have to put that number 1. X cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Now put minus 1 plus now this is minus 1, this is 1, this is minus 1, this is plus 1. Then px is also 0. In answer, x plus 1 is the factor of x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Is it okay? Now second thing is that accordingly that we have to do that second one. Now second one is that the function is second one x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So what we have to do that minus 1 to the power 4 plus this is 1, this is minus 1, this is plus 1, minus 1, plus 1. Value is 1. So this is 1. So that is px is equal to 1. This is not equal to 0. So answer is x plus 1 is not the factor of x to the power 4 is okay. Now question number 3. You have to do it by your own. You have to do that question number 4. That is what they have given that x cube input. What happened? Execute. Now then this is -1, this is plus, this is minus, and this one is -2, minus plus a minus into minus, that is minus √2 plus √2. See that? What is going on? But this is -4. So px equal to -4 not equal to 0. Answer x plus 1 is not the factor of this one. If they are asking this type of question, we have to do in this way. Now, same thing. The question number 2 are the same. Same question number 2, basically the same. Question number 2, all the question number 2 are the same. Question number 2 are same. Now we are going to the value of k, question number 3. Simply they have said find the value of k. Now if we take that question number 2, x minus 1 is a factor, that means x is equal to 1, the number 1, that is px is equal to 2x square plus kx plus should be 0. Now put the value of x. It is 2 plus is equal to 0. That is k is equal to -2 minus √2, or you have to write that k is equal to minus 2 plus. In the same way, we can do all the rest 4 ones. Now from the question 4. Now the question 4 is coming. Carefully see that. Question number 4. Factorize. First thing. number 4 1, question number 5 1. Carefully see the both question. Very carefully see the both question. What is that? Now the question number 1, question number 4 1, this is the polynomial, that is quadratic polynomial, and last one is cubic polynomial of single variable. Very, very importantly note that this is quadratic polynomial. How to identify which process you have to do that? This is depends on that this. This is cubic polynomial. Now how we treat that? For cubic polynomial, for quadratic polynomial, we do the middle term factor. Is it clear? For quadratic polynomial, we are using the middle term factor. How the middle term factor is there? Now over here, comparing the function, comparing 12x squared minus 7x plus 1 with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c. Now what is a? A is equal to 12, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 1. Now what will do that? For middle term, a into c, that is 12 into 1 is equal to 12. Now, factor of AC is 12. How can you use that? Now, 2 in this way. Now, 2 is a 6. 6 plus 2, 7. Never comes that 7. Minus 6 minus 2 is never comes the 7. It's again 2. Now see that 2 into 2 is 4 and 3. That is 4 plus 3. The 7 is coming. 4 plus 3, 7 is coming. This is how we identify that. Now what will do that? We simply do that. AC is equal to 12. 12. Now we do that 12x square minus 4 plus 3x plus 1. 12x square. Now 4x is common. Minus 1. Minus plus. Now how this middle term is done? Now if you consider the second one. X square plus 7x plus 3. Same thing, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 3. Then a into c is 6. If 6 the factor, what are the factors? 3 to the 6 and 1, that is 7. In this way, for the quadratic polynomial, when they have not given any particular things that this is the factor of the polynomial and all these things, we have to find out in this way. Now the question is coming, now do that rest all this. Question number 4 by your own. Now this coming is question number 5. Here. Now the question number 5, basically they are given the cubic polynomial. Question number 5. What they have said? 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus. So for cubic polynomial, we take the constant, that is minus 1. That is minus 1. Now try with that, x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to, that is y is equal to minus 1. So let's say 2 minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 2 minus 2. So what is happened? Minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. This is coming 0. So we can say that y minus 1. So that is y minus 1 is a factor of x. Now how we consider that? Next step we do that. Now first one, how we write that? First y minus 1. We have to take over that 2y cube. So that is we have to take 2y square. Here. Now this is coming over that 2y cube minus 2y square. Now I have only y square. Then what will you write that? We have to take that minus plus 3y. coming 3y square minus 3. Now plus this has come again y minus 1. Now this is 3, but we have 2. What will do that? Minus what will do that? All these things are coming. So now these things are coming that after that is 2y square plus 3y plus 1 y minus 1. Again, this is a middle term. So how can we do that? 2y square here. Now we have taken the question number 3. X cube cubic polynomial. So the factor may be is 20. If we take the 20, that is 2, 10, 2, 5, 5, 1. The factor may be 2, 5, 1, 10, 20. Okay, so that is plus minus, factors mean all the plus minus. So what we taken that? First one we taken that x is equal to minus 1. If you put that x is equal to minus 1, so it will be minus 1 put x is equal to minus 1 plus so this is 1, this is 30, this is minus 32 plus 10. So it is happened minus 33 plus 33. If we put x minus 1 is one of the factor. Now how we consider these things? This is what we write that x minus 1 is equal to 0. Sorry. Therefore, x plus 1 is equal to 0 is the factor. So how we write that? First x plus 1. So we have to x cube. That is, we have to put that x square. So this part is coming. Okay. What do you want that? We have to put plus 12x. So that is so 12x I have. I want that 32x. So what will be that? It's coming. So that next one. Okay. Now this is the middle term. A into C what? 1 into 20, that is 20. And if you do that LCM, 10 into 2, 12. Okay. So what we have? In this way, you do the rest to 1. This is all about the factorization. This is all about the factorization of polynomial when it is quadratic and cube. So up to that, we have considered that the factorization can be made by the factor theorem, remainder theorem, and the middle term. This is all about 2.5.